I'm Allie with Potomac Beads, and today's spotlight is going to be on our kits. So we have tons and tons and tons of free YouTube tutorials, and by request we take some of those YouTube videos and make them into written tutorials. By request again, we take those most popular written tutorials and make them into kits, which takes a lot of the stress and shopping and planning out of things. So when you get a Potomac Beads kit, whether or not it's a pendant, earring, or a necklace, you're going to get all the supplies to make that piece that you are looking at in the picture, and you have that video to go along with it. Each kit will come with, again, the materials in the bag. The materials that are in the bag are going to be listed and labeled exactly what they are. And you can take out and start by taking out your little instructions. The instructions, when you open them up and look at them, have very nice pictures that are in color that you can really follow easily with the words. Where you have an advantage with Potomac Beads is that in addition to that, we have on the back here the links to the YouTube video as well. So if you're struggling to do, say, this looking glass bracelet, we have all the instructions, the YouTube tutorial, and you can figure it out based on these. The instructions are really well done, easy to follow, and look at those diagrams to make your own creation. We always include a couple more things than you need as far as materials go, so that way if you drop a little extra bead or so, we have you covered. There's another one in there. Remember, they do not come with a thread and needle because that's really a personal choice. We have lots of different brands and kinds of both needles and threads, and most people will have those. So if you are looking to get a kit, you're looking to give it as a gift, make sure to get that little add-on of the needles and threads to go along with it if it is a kit that requires them. You can look at the details too for the video, even watch the video if you want before you purchase the kit. The other option that you have is just purchasing the materials individually. Say you buy the looking glass bracelet kit. You now have the list and the instructions, as well as, again, that YouTube video that say exactly what is on the bracelet and what is needed. You can then go on the website, order extra supplies, or order to make more and make another as well. Remember, with the instructions, if you ever are having any trouble at all with these kits, please make sure to contact us. We're right here and ready to help. These are kits that hopefully you're not going to purchase, walk away from, and realize years later, I've never done it, I can't contact the artist, I don't know how to do it, I'm getting stuck, I don't know where the supplies are. Don't worry, we have you covered. In addition to the kits, again, there are the YouTube videos, there's also the patterns, which you can get, and then if you subscribe to our box as well, our monthly subscription box, you'll get some of those patterns and basically kits inside of there as well. So this was just a little highlight on the Potomac kits and what we have and the advantages and the information that go along with it. You also, again, may have a couple extras that you can turn into something else as well. Keep in mind we have those 2,000 YouTube videos to help you out. As always with all of the videos, spotlight and tutorials alike, make sure you subscribe, hit that little button there in the little bell in the corner to get regular updates from us here at Potomac Beads. Also, if you want to check out the YouTube videos, make sure to check out the Potomac Beads YouTube channel as well for all those tutorials and great ideas. Thanks everyone so much for watching, and enjoy your kits.